Blizzard warnings persist in 5 states spanning the central and northern plains, along with the upper Midwest, as a lethal spring storm sweeps through the region. This storm brings heavy snowfall and fierce winds, prompting authorities to close schools and highways, severely disrupting travel. The Minnesota State Patrol reported responding to numerous accidents on Sunday due to hazardous conditions, including vehicle skids and jackknifed tractor trailers, resulting in several injuries. Tragically, one fatality occurred in a crash south of Minneapolis, Fox Weather has reported. According to a Fox 9 report from Minneapolis, a woman lost her life when her SUV veered off Interstate 35 East and collided with a tree in Burnsville, Minnesota. Sunday marked a record-setting day for the snowfall in the Minneapolis area. The National Weather Service revealed that the Twin Cities received 8.2 inches of snow, breaking the previous daily record of 6.2 inches set on the same day back in 1996.